Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm located in Washington, D.C. Our firm, however, is all throughout the we represent clients, excuse me. Our firm is in Washington, D.C., and we represent clients all throughout the United States on all types of immigration applications. I come on here once in a while to say hello to you guys, check in on how you're doing, and hopefully give you some information about immigration generally. Okay, I'm only going to be on here for a few minutes today. I do come on regularly, so if you don't already like us and follow us on social media, I would really encourage you to do that. But today I have some specific questions that I want to get through and I think will be helpful to you, and you can think about this over the weekend. Share this post with others if you think that they might be helpful. This might be helpful to them if they want to join us in an immigration conversation. Share this post with others, and also like us on our social media platforms. We are Agarwal Immigration, and all our platforms. So we're on Facebook, we're on YouTube, and we are on TikTok right now. So we'll only be on for a few minutes today. Unfortunately, my name is Pratibha Agarwal, but follow us and like us and join me again next time when I'm live. Okay? All right, perfect. Is it possible to apply for VAWA if the abuse happened many years ago, right? Is it possible to apply for VAWA if the abuse happened many years ago? That's a really great question, actually. There's no time limit on when the abuse occurred, right? So to qualify for VAWA, if you're unfamiliar with that, it's a green card option for a lot of folks that maybe entered the US illegally and they wouldn't be able to adjust their status through their spouse, even if they were willing to sponsor them. But if the nature of their relationship qualifies for something like VAWA, they can apply for a green card on their own without the help of their spouse. They have to be married to a US citizen or a green card holder. There has to be abuse in their marriage. So that can be emotional, psychological, or other mental abuse. And they've had to live together. It has to be a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes. So those are the requirements for VAWA. If you qualify, the abuse does not have to be currently happening. It can be past abuse as well. And we have many folks that have separated from their spouse or they live separately. We have some folks that are divorced and are applying for VAWA. So don't worry. Don't worry if the excuse me, I'm seeing here that our banner is a little messed up here. Okay. um, don't worry if the abuse occurred a while ago and you can still possibly qualify for VAWA. So you want to check that out. Give us a call. If we can help you, you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right. Can you apply for a VAWA if you're in a common law marriage, right? That's a good question. So can you apply for a VAWA if you are in a common law marriage but never had an official marriage? So you can qualify for a VAWA as long as the marriage is considered valid where you are located. So maybe you got married to somebody abroad and the country recognizes common law marriage. So in Guyana, for example, I know they recognize common law marriage if you've lived together for 5 years. There are some states here in the United States that also recognize common law marriage. You can be living with your spouse. They have requirements for that. So if that state considers it a valid marriage, it can be considered valid for VAWA purposes. So you can get VAWA benefits. If you apply for a VAWA and a green card, you would get authorization to be in the United States. You'd have work authorization, you'd have travel authorization, and you'd also have a social security number. So all of these different options are available to you. Don't let the fact that you're in a common law marriage deter you from looking into something like VAWA if you think you qualify. You can reach us for a consultation at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal, and you can follow us and like us on our social media platforms. You can also schedule a consultation directly from our Facebook page or our website. Our Facebook page is Agarwal Immigration. Our website is agarwalimmigration.com. All right. Okay, how about this? If I don't live with my spouse, can I qualify for a VAWA? If I don't live with my spouse, Can I qualify for VAWA? Yeah, so you don't have to be living with your spouse to qualify for VAWA. What you need is to be married to a US citizen or a green card holder. You need to have lived with them at some point. You don't have to be currently living with them. And there has to be abuse in the marriage, okay? And of course, the marriage has to be real and not just for immigration purposes. All right. I hope that is helpful to you. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry that I can't get to so many questions. Sherry says, can a husband sponsor his wife with a green card? Yes, of course they can do that. Of course, if the wife is already in the United States, they have to be in status when that happens. Or you might have to qualify for something like VAWA. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. All right. Hi, Anna. Nice to see you. Can an approved VAWA help to waive the 2-year home residency requirement? We can apply for a waiver for the 2-year home residency requirement, and VAWA does come with waivers on its own as well. That's a great question. Shiv says, how long do you have to live together to qualify for a VAWA? Actually, there's no requirement on how long do you have to live together. So you can still apply for VAWA and qualify for it even if you live together for only a short amount of time. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can schedule a consultation on our Facebook page or on our website. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to head out. Happy Friday. You guys follow us and like us on all our social media platforms. Share this with others. If you think they might want to join us, I will see you again next week. If I can make it this weekend, I will pop on to say hi to you guys, but I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, and we help clients with all types of immigration applications. Thank you. Have a great day.